So in this video I will be teaching you about bitwise operators. So basically we are having three bitwise operators which are AND, OR and XOR. So uh, basically in for working with bitwise operators we have to work with binary numbers 0 and 1. So like binary digits. So basically whenever we perform these operations, the operations are performed in the form of bitwise operators in the form of 0 and 1, and the result is given to us. So basically as you can see on my screen, there is a table for AND, for OR and for XOR. So for AND, if there is if the both values of A and B is not 1, we are getting 0, and when both are 1 we are getting 1. And for XOR, if any one is 1 we are getting 1. And for OR, if anyone is 1 we are getting 1 value. And if in XOR, if if both are 0 or if both are 1 we are getting 0. If anyone is only 1, if for only one value is 1 we are getting 1 value. So this is the truth table for all the three bitwise operators in Python. So now I will be showing you like how basically it works on the terminal. So suppose we create two variables, x equal to 10 and y equal to 5, suppose, and we want to now see the binary format of this number. We can use just say bin x, and you can see 0 1 2 3 4. So yeah, so you can see this is 10, this is 0 b is indicated it is a binary number, and bin y. Yeah. So now if I perform any operation like x and y, so I get 0. So why I get is 0? Because if you see here, for example, 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 1. Yeah, because this is 1 0 1 0 and this is 0 1 0 1. Now if I do AND here with this, uh, yeah, so 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. So basically if I do AND operation here, this is basically 0 0 0 0. So all values are 0, so we got 0. Now if we do OR operation, like if we try to do OR operation, if we do OR operation actually, so x or y, so we are getting 15. Let's see how we are getting it. So now we raising it, so it will be basically 1 1 1 1, all values are 1. So 2 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 2 like 3, uh, yeah, 3 3 7, yeah, so it's 15. 15. If you calculate in the binary format, it will become 15 here. The value is 15, so it's right. And now if we do XOR operation, we are getting again 15. So why it is like that? Because one value is 0 and another one is 1, so it will again become the same value. So this is the use of bitwise operators in Python. I have showed you some examples here. You can try it on your own with different digits and then converting them. You will get the correct answer only. So this is the bin is the function which is used to basically convert a number to a binary number, and 0b is just prefix indicating that it is a binary number. Like it is converted to basically in the 0101 format. I meant that in a binary digit system. So guys, if you like this explanation, please like my video, subscribe and comment. Thanks.